Okay. As I get more people on board, I want to go ahead and start creating little short videos to help guide through and talk through how to operate. This is for existing customers and current customers that you have. But if you do have an existing customer or existing customers and you want to add them to the platform, you can do so by just providing their email, their name, and then their address. With their address, of course, everything is going to be populated based on their, and then you can add their pets and then add customer. Then what happens at this point is the customer is going to get an email and they're going to have a booking link specifically for you and the customers. You'll have your overarching for new clients, but then you can turn your new clients into repeating customers. And that's what this is, to be able to nourish your cold start customers into repeat customers and manage them on a scheduled basis. All right. Once they go through and they go through the checkout process, they already have their dog and everything set up. They're going to choose a time. And then from there, all you're going to do is you'll get that estimate. You'll get an email notification of that estimate coming in. And then you'll be able to do a review of that job, see the location, see where it's at in relevance to you. You can either decline or accept the booking. And then from there, you can go to book jobs. And then when the day comes, all you have to do is go through pending. You mark the job as in progress, mark it as canceled. If you have to reschedule, you can be able to reschedule it and then move forward. But otherwise, this is an end-to-end platform for you to be able to take on your existing customers, invoice, payment, everything, scheduling. You have it all in one system.